Alright, we're doing a delivery in Newport, 677 for 6.7 miles, going in the right direction. Alright, picked up a delivery. Alright, gonna get my bag if I can find it. I guess I'll just use this one. Alright. Nice sunset today. Yeah, this isn't a super high paying delivery, but right now I'm in Newport, Maine. This is going to bring me down to Pittsfield, so it's about 6 or 7 miles south, which is the way I got to go anyways, to get back home.
Turn left toward Bonds Road, Skowhegan 24, then turn right. Turn right toward Bonds Road, Skowhegan 24, then continue onto Bonds Road. Continue onto Bonds Road, Skowhegan 24, then turn right onto Maine 100, Maine 11.
Okay. Yeah, they've redone these roads recently. It's a little wonky.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Maine 100, Maine 11.
Alrighty, we're on our way.
Continue on Maine 100 for 6 miles.
Yeah, it's lucky this delivery came up and that it's on the way, but then I have to wonder, am I going to get another one that's going to be on the way home, or do I have to just drive the rest of the way home in order to get home? Just another 40 to 50 miles after this. We shall see, but if I have to wait and go to Waterville to get more work, I'll do that. Stretch of road here, so I just wanted to talk about Brash Dasher's latest video, his channel update. He didn't post for about a month. Holy crap, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 deer. Yeah, I'm gonna slow down a little bit. 7 deer on the right side of the road. I'm not sure if that came up. Okay, now I see another 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, 11 deer. Okay, yeah, it's getting to be that season. Anyways, Brash Dasher's latest video, he talked about burnout primarily, and burnout with Doordash and other apps, and right now he's only doing Spark, and kind of sounds like he wants to get out of the delivery business, but it's tough to get back into a regular 9-to-5 job when you haven't been doing it for a while, you know. motivation, I think it's almost impossible. It's not totally impossible, but it's very, very difficult. And it was a very relatable video. I probably could have done my own version of it, almost word for word, you know. Like with my videos that I did about Domino's, I lasted 3 weeks at Domino's. I didn't intend on quitting so quickly or suddenly and without notice. I didn't intend on doing that. I didn't set out to do that, but that's kind of what ended up happening. Yeah, shift work just gets a lot rougher when you're used to just working whenever you want to and, you know, setting your own schedule. It's almost like the freedom from this job makes you stuck with it. I think that's what Brash Dasher was going over in his video. Damn, I feel like there's going to be a lot of animals out tonight. I am going to need to take it slow. But it's pretty nice sunset, foliage, Maine fall. So again, we started in Newport. We're just literally delivering one sandwich. You know, it's kind of the bad thing about Doordash is it feels so stupid, like, you know, just delivering a Big Mac or whatever. But we got this sandwich to deliver, and then I think we're actually going to be in the Skowhegan zone for Maine, but I might just go down to Waterville and deliver down there. We'll see. I gotta admit that I don't really know where I am. I know headed to Pittsfield, but that's about it. This is not my normal zone.
Take the next left onto Layden Street. In a quarter mile, turn left onto Fairview Street.
Yeah, when you're not in your normal zone, it's like you feel like you gotta pay attention so much more, because the fucking nav will bring you to the wrong place, and you won't be able to recognize it as quickly as your own zone. And, you know, when I'm delivering in Augusta, I really kind of don't need navigation. I just use it to confirm of where I'm going. It's not... I'll turn here, because I'm like literally at the end of the road.
Turn left onto Fairview Street, then your destination will be on the left.
Double check the address.
is on the left.
It's not that one. It's the next one over.
The customer requested you hand them the order. They added the following instructions. Hand it to me.
I just have the directions read back to me so I can go faster. Okay, we've ended that dash. We've started a new one in Skowhegan. Doubtful if I'm going to get one to bring me down to Waterville, but I'll see what I get offered, if anything.